Hi guys, a very warm welcome. I hope everybody is doing great. Hi Banu, welcome. Hi Kirito. So guys, today's class we'll be looking at PnC lecture number 3. So we are finally moving on to combinations. If you guys are all ready for it, give me a yes or a thumbs up in the chat quickly. Hi Rameshwaran, welcome. Hi Asim, welcome man. Navami, Sri Charan, Varalakshmi, welcome. Very nice to see all of you here. So let us just wait for a few more minutes so that your friends can join in and then we will get started. Hi Paul, welcome man. Exactly Kirito. That's right. So we will be finally moving on to combination. That is nothing but the ways to select and how to handle questions of selection. So that is what I'm going to teach you today. Very interesting session because guys, we are going to cover some of the most difficult concepts also. Okay, so do wait and watch this completely so that you will be done with PnC forever. Okay, Asim, I'm doing great man. So it's again raining in Chennai. So today there was a very good rainfall in the morning. What about rank? Rank of a word, you can try to solve previous year's questions. Maybe we can discuss it when I do the sprint session. Okay. So right now I want to cover combination in detail, but definitely Banu, you are right. Rank of a word is also important. So I will take it up maybe during an assignment discussion session or maybe during the previous year's questions discussion. Got it? Yes, Rameshwaran. Very good Asim, that's awesome. What should be my score be in JEE Mains to qualify? So Kirito, to be on the safer side, anything above 150 should be a good score. And if you want to get NITs and good NITs, 200 plus is required. Okay. So I would say anything above 150 is good. 200 plus is very good. Do we have any KVPY lectures? Yes, Sri Charan. Like I said, we have planned it. We will come up with that in the weekend maybe. Hi Sugdha, welcome. Hi Harini. Very good guys. So looks like all of you are here. So shall we get started guys? Can I see some thumbs up? How's the Josh guys? All my ninjas out there. Navami wants IIST. Very good. That's a brilliant place to study. What are the total marks? Kirito, it is out of 300. Your JEE Mains is out of 300, right? Shrivani wants IIT Madras. That is great, Shrivani. I hope you will reach that goal of yours and we will do our best to help you with that. Okay. Hi Kashap, welcome man. Josh is always high. Exactly guys, that is what we want. So let's get started with the first and the foremost slide, which is my introduction. I know there are a few people who are coming here for the first time. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach maths at Vedantu. I've been training students for exams like JEE Mains, KVPY, JEE Advance over the last 7 years. I've mentored more than 10,000 plus wonderful students like all of you. Some of them have gone into IIT, some of them have gone into NITs, BITS Pilanis and so on. Now here I am at this channel to help you reach that goal of yours. So my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I'm basically from Chennai. So a lot of time spent in Chennai and I'm also a KVPY scholar. And when I wrote my JEE Mains exam, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. And if you guys want to be in touch with me, if you guys want to talk to me via message, if you want to reach out to me with doubts, you can follow me in Instagram and I'm quite active there. I do try and respond to everybody. Very good Olivia. Olivia, I'm so happy that you made it to the session because PnC is a very nice topic and we did everything in detail. I hope you saw that. Okay, just like you guys asked, we did everything in detail. I'm sure you enjoyed it and today's class will be the icing on the cake because it is much more conceptual than anything we have done before. So moving on. So this is the weekly schedule. I hope you guys enjoyed today's topic with Shimon Sir. Today you had the Menti quiz in the morning and this is the math schedule. You have integration coming up tomorrow. So tomorrow is Friday and the day after is Saturday. So you have integration coming up. So 11th standard guys, you can be a part of it because you learnt integration in physics and you can try to catch up. The 12th standard guys, no excuse for you. You have to come. So the 12th standard guys are the Jonins. So no excuse for Jonins, but the Chunins can come if they want to. Okay. Hi Ali, welcome man. So nice to have you here back again. Hi Jumana, welcome. Very good guys. Hi Jashwant. Jashwant, I saw your message in Instagram. I'll get back to you. Okay. So this is the mentee session. We have math on Tuesday. We are done with that. We had physics today. I hope you guys saw that. It was a brilliant session. And you have chemistry on Saturday as well. So try to be a part of these wonderful classes so that you guys can get the best outcome than ever. Okay. So guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe because the content and the material that we teach you guys is unparalleled and you guys will be able to benefit from them over time. And one more thing is, this is a completely English channel. So we teach only in English. So if you know someone who wants to study in English, who wants to learn for free in YouTube from the best teachers of India, then definitely bring them here to this channel because we have wonderful teachers like Asim Sir, we have great teachers like Shreyas Sir, and we have a lot of cool stuff planned for you. But you have to show us your support and spread the word. Okay, so that would mean a lot to us. Great. So moving on, the first and the foremost topic for today. Today I'm going to teach you what is combination. In crash course, what teachers will teach? Crash course, the master teachers of Vedantu will take care of you. We have teachers like Arvind Sir, Arvind Kalia Sir, Arvind Sutar Sir. We have Amit Sir, Aditya Sir, Akash Sir. Brilliant teachers of math. And we also have some great people from Chandigarh also. So a lot of great teachers in Vedantu. And the best part is, Jashwant, you also have classes in Hindi and English. So you choose what you want. So guys, the crash course is going on right now. So if you are interested, get it today because you have 3 months and 3 months can make a difference. Many of you are saying, sir, I want NIT Trichy, I want NIT Suratkal, Warangal. You want to get into an NIT, you can easily do it because JEE Mains is not rocket science. It is pretty easy. And 3 months with the help of the wonderful teachers at Vedantu, you can actually make it. You can actually make it. And what is the price you need to pay? 8,000. 8,000 for 3 months is basically 2,666 for just 1 month. So that's on a daily basis. If you divide by 30, it is 80 rupees per day. And you learn for 3 hours. So when I was young, I remember I used to play PlayStation for that much. How many of you have played PlayStation in shops? I don't know whether your generation, you guys did that. So when I was young, maybe in 4th standard or 5th standard, I used to go to PlayStation shops and play for half an hour. And there itself, I used to pay something more than this. So this is a great deal. That is what I'm trying to say. And grab it while it's there. Okay? Perfect. So let's get started. Okay, Asim, no problem. So here we go. Jashwant, you can opt for English classes. I'm pretty sure English classes are there. Okay, pakka. So we have combination. Like I said, combination on an overall level. What does it mean? It means selection. It means you're selecting something. Okay. So let's say you have n objects and you are selecting R from it. So that is when you use NCR. And I told you what is NCR. It is nothing but n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. So this is your NCR. What does NCR mean? Selecting R items from n objects. Okay. So for example, let us say there are 50 people in our channel watching this live. Hi Omkar, welcome man. So there are 50 people watching this video live, and let's say I want to choose 5 people and give them free crash course. Okay. Hypothetical case guys. Okay. So if I want to select 5 people, in how many ways can I choose 5 people? I can choose 5 people on 50C5 ways. Okay. So I can choose 5 people on 50C 5 ways, and that is going to be the total number. Okay, so that is how you understand selection. So selection means you have a pool of different objects or different items, and then from that you select a few. So that is why you use NCR. Are you guys able to follow that? Very good, very good. If you guys spread the word to many people, that day is possible, guys. I guarantee you that, okay? So you have to help us become accessible to a lot of people. Like I said, the goal is to reach the corners of India. Right now, we are just starting off. We are just a small plant growing. I want us to become a tree and provide shade to a lot of people. Okay, we will reach that in a short time. I'm sure and I'm confident of that because you guys are awesome. Okay, so everybody clear with this? Basics of selection, all of you understood? Olivia, Harini, everybody clear? So shall I move forward? Yes? Perfect. So let us move ahead to the next one. Listen very carefully, guys. I want all of you to try it out. Omkar, marathon is coming, man. It is going to be awesome. Wait for it. KVPY is also coming. JEE Mains previous year's question paper solving is also coming. So a lot of great stuff planned for you. You have to stay tuned. And guys, like I always say, let people know of this. I want everybody to take it seriously because it would be a great encouragement for teachers. And teachers are always pumped up when the number of students are high. So whenever we see a lot of students live in the channel, we get a different kind of energy. So I hope you guys will do that. And as I say always, the more the merrier. Okay, so let's do that. Yes, Jashwan, thank you, man. Paul, yes, definitely. I speak Tamil, man. My native is Tamil Nadu, so I speak very good Tamil. So Kirito says 384, Uncharted says 768, and VSG also says 768. So let us solve it now. Now it's time for me to do it. So everybody please listen carefully. So we have 5-digit even numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it has to be made from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3. So the first digit can be 1, 2 or 3. So I have 3 ways. Are you all clear with that, everybody? The second digit can be any one of the 4. So 4C1. And the third can also be any one of the 4. The fourth can also be any one of the 4. But the fifth has to be 0 or 1. The fifth one has to be either 0 or 2 because it is even number. Even number means it has to end with the even digit. So it is either 0 or 2. So therefore into 2C1. So what is the answer? Can you guys do that? So that will be how much? 3 into 64 into 2. Is that correct? Are you guys able to get that? So that will be 128 into 3, right? And what is that value? That value is 384. Are you guys able to grasp it? Any doubts that you have? Anybody with any queries? Are you all fine with it, guys? VSG, did you get it? Did you understand what mistake you made? I hope people are able to follow. Uncharted, very good Uncharted. Vikas, yes Vikas, you have 1.5 years left. And we will have a great time together because once JEE Main is over, we will start a full-time course for you guys. Okay? Perfect. Very good, Asim. That's awesome. What about Harini? What about all your friends? Are you guys able to understand? Great. Perfect. So let us proceed now. Let's go ahead and have a look at the next question which I have for you. Okay? So guys, please check it. It should be 384. I think there's a small calculation mistake. Doesn't matter. Let's go ahead. This is the second question. Please try to solve it. This is a brilliant question. This is a brilliant question. It has come in previous years many times wherein you see collinear points and you're asked to find the number of straight lines or the number of points of intersection. I'm going to teach you how to solve it. But first you guys try it out. Okay? Hi Rebecca, welcome. So nice to have you here. No problem. We are just getting started. Okay. JEE is on Feb. Yes, most likely Omkar, the education minister, is going to speak to everybody on December 10th. So if you are someone who's preparing for 2021, you can maybe wait for December 10th. He will let you know all your doubts. He will tell you when the exam is going to be conducted, board exam. And then he'll also talk about NEET, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So do wait for it. That is the most authentic news. Until then, don't get excited seeing any YouTube channel. So after December 10th, I myself will do a pakka video wherein I will tell you exactly what he told if you missed the video. Got it? So that is the best way to do it. Harsh Babel, AOD sprint is completed, but don't worry, I'm going to take up previous year's questions quite soon. I will let you know. No Harsh, it was 2 lectures. Please check it. I completed AOD in 2 lectures. Okay, Rebecca Babu. No problem. Welcome. So everybody is saying 15, 16, 18, 10. What is the right answer, guys? Come on. Kirito says, sir, my answers always go out of options. No, this time it is not out of option because it cannot go out of option because you have none of these, Kirito. So you are safe this time. But whether it is right or wrong, that is a different story altogether. So we will have a look at it right now. So guys, first of all, what are we asked? We are given 6 points in a plane. And what else do we know? We know that 4 points are collinear. Are you guys clear? Then we want to find out the number of straight lines obtained from the pair of these points. For example, let's listen carefully now. Okay. So to form a straight line, how many points do you all need? You need 2 points to draw a straight line. I told you this earlier. And we have been doing this ever since our lower classes. Even 4th standard. 4th standard, you remember, you will keep 2 dots. And then you will take your scale from your geometry box. And you will keep the scale here. And then you will draw a line like that. Understood? So whenever you want to draw a straight line, you need to have 2 points. So that is the basic condition. You need to have 2 points to draw a straight line. So here I have 6 points. So from 6 points, I will choose 2 points and that will give me 1 straight line. So the number of ways I can select 2 points from 6 points will give me the total number of straight lines. But wait a minute, there is something happening here. Wait a minute, there is something happening here. What is that? These 4 points are collinear. That means these 4 points are lying on a straight line. So if I select these 2 points, I get this line. If I select these 2 points, also I get the same straight line. So I have to subtract 4C2 into 1 because whatever 2 points I select out of these 4, it will be the same straight line. It will be the same straight line. Are you guys able to understand? Wonderful question. But again, wait a minute. It is not the end of it. Because this 4 points will have 1 line. So I need to add 1. So the answer is 15 minus 6 plus 1. 10 is the answer. Yes, Kirito. So you got it right. So your answers are not always out of the options. So don't worry about it. Are you guys able to understand? So Banu is saying, sir, I did not get it quite fully. So don't worry. I am going to explain it again. I want everybody to pay attention because this is a very, very good concept. Okay. This is a very, very good concept. Yes, Asim, Jashwant, Banu, Shreya, everybody listen carefully. Okay. So first of all, do you guys agree the total number of straight lines that can be formed from 6 points is 62? Because every 2 points will give me 1 straight line. So the number of straight lines is nothing but the number of ways of selecting 2 points from 6 points. Are you able to understand that? So that is why I wrote 62. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Everybody clear with that? But now this is not the answer because 62 is 15. So if you did 15, you're absolutely wrong. Why is 15 wrong? Because out of the 6 points, 4 points are collinear. What does collinear mean? Collinear means 4 points are along a straight line. So whatever points you choose from these four, it will always be on a single straight line. You are not going to get new straight lines. So you cannot add them. So I remove those 4C2 straight lines because all of the straight lines that I get by choosing 2 points out of these four are going to be a single straight line. So that is why I add one. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Everybody clear? 6C2 is 15, Shrivani, and 4C2 is 6, and 1 is 1 over here. So the number of straight lines is 10. That is how we do it. Why add 1? Because there is one straight line passing through the 4 points, right? It is not as though these 4 straight lines, the 4 points are not giving you any line. They give you one line. They give you one line. So that one line you should not miss out. That one line you should not miss out. So that is why I added +1. Did you guys understand that? Why am I removing 4C2? I am removing 4C2 because whatever 2 points I choose from here, it will always give me only one straight line. So I completely removed it and I am adding just one straight line. Understood? So that is the way to do it. Everybody clear with it? Very good, Rebecca. That's awesome. So shall we move forward, guys? Very good, Banu. Okay. 6C2 is 24. No, Harini. 6C2 is going to be 15 because 6C2 is nothing but 6 factorial by 4 factorial, 2 factorial. So that will be 5 into 6 by 2, which will be 15. Understood, Harini? That is how you calculate. Very good, guys. Please practice these kind of questions. Normally you don't see them being discussed everywhere because they are slightly difficult. So people tend to skip these questions. Okay, but you don't have to do that because I want you guys to be rock stars. I want you guys to get the best possible rank in your JEE mains. Okay, so you need to have the mental confidence to handle such questions. You should not see these questions and skip it because I've seen many people do that. People get scared of these questions, they skip it and they move forward. That is not the right way. I have given you the explanation also in detail. So if you are part of the Telegram group, download the session PDF, go through the explanation and you will find out that it is possible for you to answer. It is not something very, very difficult. Okay. Sir, is Tattva material with the crash course, is it available? Yes, Jashwant, you will get the Tattva material soft copy. You will not be given the hard copy. Hard copy is only for pro subscription. So if you take the pro subscription for 1 year, you will be given the hard copy. Okay, but for crash course, no. Because the crash course will be quick paced and it is only for 3 months. Understood? Okay, cool. So this is another very, very interesting questions. I want everybody to solve it. This was asked in previous year. It was asked in the year 2001, long time back. Guys, everybody should participate. I want you guys to master these kind of questions. So first of all, let me explain to you what is meant or what is asked in the question. So you have an n-sided polygon. So if you have an n-sided polygon, do you guys agree that it is going to be having n vertices? Are you guys clear? Is everybody clear with that? So now if I want to form triangles, how many triangles can I form? So I have, let's say, n vertices. So if I want to form triangle, can I say I need to choose 3 vertices and that will give me a triangle? Can I say that NC3 is nothing but the total number of triangles that can be formed? Are you all clear with that? Yes? Everybody cool with it? It is not n by 3, it is NC3 because out of n vertices, I can choose 3. For example, let's say you have a square. Now out of the vertices, how many triangles can be formed? Do you guys agree? These 3 vertices can give me 1 triangle. Now these three triangles can give me one triangle. Now these three triangles, vertices can give me one triangle, and then these three. Are you all able to understand? So there will be totally 4 such triangles. So how do you get 4 such triangles? It is nothing but out of 4 vertices, I choose 3. Are you able to understand it now? Are you able to understand it now? Clear? Everybody? So NC3 is nothing but the number of triangles that can be formed when you have n vertices. So what is Tn plus 1? Tn plus 1 is nothing but n plus 1 C3 minus Tn is nothing but NC3, and that will be equal to 21. Isn't that right? Are you guys able to follow that? So n plus 1 C3 minus NC3 is equal to 21. So from this I can get what is the value of my n. So guys, here also the solving is very difficult unless you know properties. Do you remember this property? NC2 plus NC3 is equal to n plus 1 C3. Do you guys remember that? So can I say n plus 1 C3 is nothing but NC2 plus NC3, and then you have minus NC3 is equal to 21. Isn't it beautiful? Shortcut. Isn't it beautiful? This is the way you do it. So NC2 is 21, and from here you can calculate. NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2, and that is equal to 21, and that will give you what is the value of n. And you guys are absolutely right. Jayanti Nuvant is absolutely right. And we also have a lot of others trying to get the answer correctly. Very good job, guys. You guys are awesome. Very, very good. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me know what is the doubt. I will try to clarify it for you. Otherwise, we will proceed to the next question. Yep. Are you all done, guys? So if everybody is done, let us move ahead to the next one. Any doubt? Nobody? If you guys got it, can you guys give me a thumbs up quickly? Everybody. I want you all to let me know soon. Everybody clear? Good concept. What I love the most about this question is the way we use that shortcut. I want you guys to think in terms of those shortcuts, because that will reduce your solving. Otherwise, guys, it will take a lot of time to solve. Very good, Beena. Very good, Rebecca. That's awesome. So with that, let us proceed to the next one. So here we have the next topic. The number of selections of n different things take an hour at a time when p particular things are always included. For example, so we have a cricket team, and we have to select a cricket team from 15 players. So guys, for all those who are not aware, a cricket team will have 11 players. Okay, so some of you may not be following cricket, so let me give that to you. A cricket team will have 11 players. So I have to select 11 players from 15 players such that 2 players are always included. Okay, 2 players are always included. So how can we select this? Can you guys please let me know? Can you guys please let me know? Yes? Everybody try to solve it and let me know how you will do the question over here. Uncharted has already answered. And what about others? Hi Vaishnavi, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So how do we do this question, guys? Any idea? Yes? So we have totally 11 players and we have to select from 15 players. So it is going to be 15C11. But is that the answer? Is that the answer? No. Because what is happening here? Here there are 2 players. Let's say Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Both of them are very, very good. So they are always in the team. They are always in the team no matter what. So I basically have to select 9 players from 13 players. Did you guys understand that? Totally I have 15 players, but two guys are already there in the team. Okay, 2 guys are already there in the team. So I need to select only 9 players from 13 players who are left out. And how do we do that? That can be done in 13C9 ways. Are you guys able to understand that? So 13C9 is the answer for this question. I hope you guys have got it. So that is going to be what? 13 factorial by 9 factorial 4 factorial. So this is the answer for this question. If you guys have any doubt, let me know. Very good, Uncharted. Very good, Rebecca. That's awesome, because I guess 715 is the answer. Very good, Varalakshmi. Very good, Sonu. Brilliant job, guys. Did you all like this question? So this is the concept when 2 players are always included. Are you all able to catch it? Very good, Vedant. That's absolutely right, man. Good job. Asim, so I will repeat it quickly. Please try to follow it. Very good, Jashwan. That's awesome. So Asim, you have 15 players to select from and you have 11-member team. So the total number of ways is 15C11, Asim. But that is not the answer, Asim, because that is without any restriction. But here, what is the restriction? Here, 2 players, let's say Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, are always included because they are good players. So, if 2 players are already there in the team, I need to select only 9 more players. Very good, Banu. Very good, Rebecca. That's absolutely right. Okay. So, 9 players I have to choose, Azim. And out of 15, 2 are already gone, na? Because 2 players are already selected. So 15 minus 2 is 13. Now remaining 13 people are left out. From that I have to select 9. So that is how you get it. So that is nothing but 13 factorial by 9 factorial 4 factorial, Shreya. When you cancel it, you will get 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 divided by 24. So 12 2s are and 2 5s are. So it will be 55 into 13 and that will be equal to 715. That is the way you do it. I hope you guys got it. Yes, everybody. Very good, Jayanti, Nunawat. That's awesome. So shall we move forward, guys? Are you all ready? Very good, Asim. That's brilliant. That's exactly what we want here. So let us move forward. Definitely, Jashwant, coordinate geometry is one of my favorite topics. We will do a fantastic job over there. Okay, because it is almost 30% of the syllabus. Just like calculus. Coordinate geometry has a lot of weightage, so please try to wait for it and we will do a great job in that. So now try to solve this question, guys. Everybody. It will be 12C8. So that is Kirito's answer. We will check it. But Kirito, think about it carefully. Because you totally have only 9 flowers, na? How are you getting 12? Totally itself you are having only 9 flowers. Come on, guys. Everybody try to solve it. So, you have 9 flowers and you have to select 5 from that. So this is the total number of ways, but this is not the answer because this is without any restriction. This is without any restriction. Okay, but what restriction I have? What is the restriction? The restriction that I have is I should never pick a yellow flower. Okay, Jashwant. Okay, Kirito was answering for Banu. Got it. So yellow rose is never taken. So if yellow rose or yellow flower is never taken, you have 9 different flowers. So yellow is one of them. So I am not picking that. So that means I have to select 4 from 8. So 8C4 is the answer. Are you all clear with it? So you have totally 9 flowers. I don't want yellow, so I take yellow and throw it away. So you have 8 flowers, and from those 8 flowers, you have to select how many? You have to select 4 or 5. Is it 4 or 5? Can you guys think about it? Is it 4 or 5? It's 5. It's 5. Why 5? Because I want to select 5 flowers. Did you guys understand that? So 8C5 is the answer. It is going to be 8 factorial by 5 factorial 3 factorial, which will be 6 into 7 into 8 by 6. So the answer is 56. Those who answered 56, you guys are all rock stars. Because Kirito, here it is not included. Here it is excluded. Different example. So whenever something is excluded, you still have to choose 5 flowers, na? You still have to choose 5 flowers. Are you getting it? So why will the number of flowers that you choose reduce? That will be the same. But here it reduces because I don't want yellow. No matter what, I will never choose yellow. Got it? Very good, Beena. That's awesome. Banu, so you have totally 9 different flowers, Banu. So from 9 flowers, I will remove 1 flower because I don't want yellow. I don't like yellow. Got it? So I removed that. Now I have only 8 flowers, Banu. From those 8 flowers, I have to select 5. So that is nothing but 8C5, na? Over. That is your answer. 8C5 will give you what? 8 factorial by 5 factorial 3 factorial, and that will be equal to 56. Are you guys clear with that? Very good. Very good. Did you understand it now, Banu? Great. Done, Kirito. Okay, perfect. So yeah, with that, let us move ahead. I hope you guys are all fine now. So let us go forward. So guys, if you are enjoying the classes at Vedantu, then please check out the Pro subscription. I'm sure many of you are aware of it. Vedantu has lots of courses. We have the Pro subscription, we have the crash course, and we also have courses for KVPY. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out, because we have 5,000 plus hours of live teaching. We have teachers who have more than 5 years experience teaching toppers, and we also have English as well as Hindi classes. And if you are comfortable with both of them, you have something called as Hinglish, Hinglish. So you have both Hindi and English mixed classes also. So whatever is favorable to you, go for that. And we also have the JEE crash course going on. So guys, all this is part of the Pro subscription. This is one place to get everything. Okay, so everything will be as part of one single package, which is called as the Pro subscription. Got it? So this is for the 2022 batch. That is your 11th standard guys batch. So try to check it out. If you feel it is going to be worth it, then go for it. Because guys, I don't know how long the situation will continue. The lockdown, your classes being missed, but your education cannot put on a pause. You cannot put your learning on a pause. So if you want to keep going forward with the same delivery, with the same content which is required for advance, then this is the place you have to be in. Okay, so this is the coupon code. You have a 20% off. If you guys are interested, do check it. Vedantu is doing an amazing job producing toppers on all fronts. We have toppers in KVPY, we have toppers in JEE Advanced, you name it. We have helped students reach their potential in that exam. It is not just about producing top ranks, it is also about lifting the entire quality and entire potential of the students. So that is done in Vedantu, and you guys can track your progress as well. So if you are interested, check it, and then you guys will definitely make the best use of it, I hope. So this is the coupon code SHJ Pro. It gives you 20% flat off. Yes, Banu, we will come up with that. Now, let's take it higher. Okay, so let's take it higher level, and don't worry about questions, Abhishek. So everybody, when you learn, everybody goes through the process. Do you think All India Rank 1 directly when he learned PnC he went to solve difficult questions? No. Everybody goes through the process. We are all babies now. We will try to solve baby stuff, and slowly we will take it up and higher. That is the healthy way of doing it. Okay, so that is why they say this proverb. Do you know that? Rome was not built in a day. What does that mean? That means such a big and beautiful, magnificent city, it was not done in one day. You just sleep and wake up tomorrow, you become hero. No, it takes time. Everything in life takes time. It is going to require a lot of hard work. Okay, so what we are doing now is we are putting the necessary hard work for it. This is baby steps. You learn to walk before you run. That is very organic. That is what I love. Okay, so when you come to my classes, that is the way I will take you. And don't worry, we are covering all the concepts. We did every concept that is required for your JEE Mains, and you will be surprised at the amazing topics that I have for you in store today. And even if I am not able to cover it, don't worry, we will have an extra class tomorrow and we will do it. That is my guarantee for you guys. Okay, so let's do it now. Moving on. Selection of items from different objects. So let us say, guys, don't worry about the formula. I'm going to make it very, very super interesting for you, and I'm going to make it easy for you. Okay, so listen very carefully. How many days will it take to stick to subjects? What does that mean, Ajo? Please tell me. So guys, listen very carefully. You have n objects, let's say. So I want to understand in how many different ways can I select these objects. So what I'm going to do is, from these n objects, I will take the first object. I will take the first object. So the first object has two ways. Do you guys understand that? I can either select it or I can just leave it. Do you all agree? So the first object has two ways, and the second object has two ways. I can either select it or I can leave it. The third object also has two ways. I can either select it or I can leave it. Like that, all the n objects will have two ways. So the answer is 2 power n. So 2 power n is the total number of ways of selecting objects from n objects. So that is also derived in a different way. I can choose 0, I can choose 1, I can choose 2, and I can choose n. Now do you see that? This is also correct. But then why did they give -1 here, sir? Because at least one item, one or more items. Read it, read it, read it. At least one or more items. So NC0 should be subtracted. So 0 objects is not allowed na, Jashwant. That is why -1. Are you guys able to follow? Are you guys able to understand that? So when I remove this, I'll have a -1. If they say 0 objects also, then it will be 2 power n. Very good. Are you guys clear with it? Brilliant, brilliant. Ajo, learning is a process, Ajo. It cannot be defined quantitatively. You cannot directly say, Ajo, if you study for 5 days, you will become better. It takes a while. So when I was young, one of my teachers gave me a very good example. I want to share it to you guys. It is wonderful. So you guys must have seen movies, or you must have seen in your villages, they make butter, right? Out of milk. So how do they do it? They just keep churning it. They just keep churning it. But do you know when you will get the butter? Exactly. They'll be like 5 o'clock, 10 seconds after 5 o'clock you will get butter. No. They just keep churning it. So your job, Ajo, is to keep churning. Don't worry about when you will get butter, when you will get good rank, when you will get good marks. Don't think about the result. Okay. Right now, just focus on your subjects. Try to do well. So that is the way to go forward. Okay. Exactly. So don't be very result oriented, because that is when you will feel bad if you don't reach it. Rather, be excited about learning. Because guys, I have been through the process of placement. I have gone to a job. I worked in a corporate company. So I know what is a required skill set. It is not your rank majorly. It is not your college majorly. It is going to be your aptitude. So if your aptitude, if your thinking skills are fine, you can still make it big. Got it? So not everybody who is great in the world is from IIT. Not everybody who is great in the world is from NIT. But if you have the right thinking skills and if you have the fire in your heart, you can do it no matter what. Okay? So that is what I want you guys to be ready for. Got it? Definitely, Jerome, we will be able to crack it. Definitely. Kirito, that's absolutely true. There are people who are great from IIT. I didn't say that. But I'm saying not all people who are great are from IIT. So that is also correct, na? You can still make it big no matter what. But what I want you guys to be is I want you guys to have the right thinking set. I want you to tell, even if you don't get IIT, even if you don't get NIT, you have to say, so because of this channel JEE Enthuse, I was able to get my thinking straight. So that is good, guys, because life is beyond IITs. Life is beyond this exam. There you have to succeed. Okay. So yeah, here we go. I hope everybody got it. Asim wants me to repeat it. So Asim, the number of ways of selecting one or more objects from n objects. So how do I look at it, Asim? So when I say one or more objects, I can select one object, or I can select two objects, or I can select three objects, or I can select four objects, all the way up to NCN objects. Do you understand that? Now I can add and subtract NC0. Now why do I do that? Because this is the sum of all the binomial coefficients, which is nothing but 2 power n minus NC0, and that is nothing but 2 power n minus 1. So that is the way you do it. I hope you are all clear with that. Everybody? So shall we move forward, Azim? Did you get that? Rebecca? Jerome? Are you able to follow Jerome? And don't worry, you guys can crack it if you are in 11th standard. You have a lot of time. Got it? So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead to the next one. Harini, circles, conic will follow straight lines. So first I will do straight lines in a few more days. Okay. So let's go ahead. Selection from identical objects. For example, if I give you, let's say A, and I'm asking you, how many ways can I select two A's from here? In how many ways can I select two A's from here? Answer is, because they're all identical. So whatever two A's I take, it is going to be only one single way. Are you guys able to get it? No, Asim. 4C2 is for distinct objects. Guys, come on. Everybody, 4C2 is for distinct objects. Here we have identical. So when you have identical, it is going to be only one way. It is going to be only one way. Are you all fine? Okay, Ajo, very good, man. No problem. You should have gone for English classes. No worries. We will try to help you out here. Okay. No, Jashwant, it is only one. No matter what. You can say it to be 4C4, but the answer is 1. Got it? And now, if I ask you the number of ways of selecting any number of items from a group of n identical objects is n plus 1. How is that coming? For example, let's take A. So now, I can take 0 A's, I can take 1A, I can take 2A, I can take 3A, I can take 4A. So this is one way, this is one way, this is one way, this is one way, this is one way. So totally 5 ways. So don't you think that is equal to 4 plus 1? Now do you understand what they told here? Yes? Now do you understand what they told here? Are you guys able to follow? So that is how you understand. Whenever you learn some theory, always back it up with some example so that you guys will retain it for a long time. Everybody able to follow that? So that is how you have to go about doing this. Are you all clear with it, guys? Everybody. 0A is selecting nothing out of this. Selecting nothing out of this is also one way, na? Selecting nothing out of this is also one way. So that is what I have given here, Ajo. Are you all clear? Banu, yes, yes, yes. Very good job. So let's move forward. Now, this is very interesting. This is very, very interesting. Okay, this is superb. Such formulas are brilliant, guys. You are actually learning a lot of great stuff here, and we are learning it topic by topic. So make sure you guys take a printout of these notes and have it safe, because guys, PnC is a very important topic and it will help you a lot in probability. Okay, I'm so happy that you guys are, able to grasp this at 11th standard. Okay, so let me explain it. Yes, 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 Jashwant, I will explain it right now. At least one should be selected means it will be n, Jashwant. At least one means you'll have 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So all of them will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So it will be n. Got it? Did you understand that, Jashwant? Very good, very good. Yes, Afrin, tell me what is your doubt. So guys, now the number of ways of selecting one or more items from P identical objects and n distinct. So number of ways of selecting here in n distinct is 2 power n, and number of ways of selecting any number from here is p plus 1. Just now we studied it. Just now we studied it. When you have identical, the total number of ways of selecting is p plus 1. When you have distinct, the total number of ways of selecting is 2 power n. So I will multiply both of them. Okay, the number of ways of selecting from P plus 1, P identical objects and n distinct objects will be this. But this can include 0 selection also. This can include 0 selections. So this includes nothing selected. This also includes nothing selected. But what do they want? They want at least one or more. So I have to remove the case where nothing is selected. Very good, Jashwant. You got it. Very good, Banu. I am so happy that you asked the question. Now did you understand why I reduced -1? Are you guys getting it? So, Kirito, from total only you have to subtract 1. From total only you have to subtract 1. Because there is a possibility of selecting nothing from identical but 1 from distinct. There is also a possibility of selecting 1 from identical and nothing from distinct. So that you will leave out now. That you will leave out now if you directly take -1. Understood? Very good questions you guys are asking. And I hope you are getting what I am explaining. Because Kirito asked a very nice question. Banu also asked a very nice question. Isn't that amazing, guys? Are you all able to understand now? So shall we move forward? Do you guys have any questions that you want me to answer? Brilliant, brilliant, guys. Perfect. So with that, let us proceed front. Let's go ahead. Okay. So this is a question, please do it. So Ajo, if you're a dropper, you have just 3 more months for the first attempt of JEE Mains. So I would say dedicate time for previous year's questions, because as a dropper, that is what you have to be doing right now. But if you are not aware of the concepts, then please be a part of crash course Ajo. So if you are comfortable at Vedantu, you get Vedantu, or if you are comfortable in this channel, you can be a part of this channel. But however, Ajo, I would recommend you to be a part of a system, because there you'll have regular tests, regular assignments, man. You need that, Ajo, if you are learning it for the first time. Okay. Otherwise, dedicate a lot of time, be very self-motivated, be very sincere, and do previous years. You will do well. Okay. Very good, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. You all get a star because it is 63. So how do we get it? It is nothing but 2 power 6 minus 1. Everybody clear with that? Did you guys understand the way to do it? Very good, Satyam. That's amazing. What about the others, guys? Very good, Rebecca. Very good, Manjunath. Superb work. You guys are brilliant. Awesome. Keep it up. Let's proceed now. let's go ahead to the next question which I have for you right on your screen. Please do it. I've taught you how to find out number of factors. If you guys remember that. Okay. So I will teach you again. Please make a note of it. If you can write any natural number as 2 to the power p1 into 3 to the power p2 into 5 to the power p3, prime factorization, and so on, the number of divisors is given by the formula p1 plus 1 into p2 plus 1 into p3 plus 1 and so on. So that will give you the number of divisors. But what do you mean by proper divisors? Proper divisors is total divisors minus 1 and the number itself. So you should subtract 2. 1 and the number itself. So from the total number of divisors, you have to subtract 2. So that will be your answer. From the total number, you have to subtract 2. Hi Indrajit, welcome man. So nice to have you here. Welcome. So 7875, how do you factorize it? Can you guys help me with this? Can you guys help me with the factorization? Yes, Satyam, we will look at every chapter slowly. We can only do 2 chapters per week. So that is the speed we have. I will try to increase it. Okay, don't worry. So what is the prime factorization of this? The prime factorization of this should have 3, should have 5. Will it have 7? Will it have 7? I think it will have 7 also. Will it have 11? It will have 11. No, it won't have 11. So I think this is it. Can you guys check it? Can you guys check it? Till now we have completed quadratic, complex and PnC completely, Sai Nandan. But the other chapters we have done binomial, we have done differential calculus fully, but we did it as a sprint. We did it a bit fast. Okay, but completely we have done 3 chapters only. Quadratic, complex numbers and PnC. Got it? Will we have 13? I don't think 13 also will come. So guys, can you please give me the prime factorization? Okay, let me divide it myself. I'll do it. Nobody is doing it. What happened guys? Gave up. So let's divide it prime factorization. So 7875. Let's divide by 5. What do you get? You get 1, 5, 37, 7, 25, 5. Then you have 5, you will have 3, 3, 1, 5. And then you'll have again 5. You will have 63, right? And then you'll have 7. And then you'll have 9. And then you'll have 9. Okay, so it's going to be 3 square, 5 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 1. Is that correct? Jashwant is correct. Okay. Jashwant, I wanted the powers, man. So this is going to be what? 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is the total number of divisors. So what is that? Total number of divisors? 3 into 4 into 2, and that will be 24. But what is the answer? The answer is 22. Why is it 22? Because I have to subtract 2. Why should I subtract 2? Because they ask proper factors. What does proper factors mean? I have to remove 1 and the number itself. So 1 is a factor and the number itself is a factor. But I have to remove those 2. So because I am removing those 2, I will have 22 proper factors. I hope you guys got it. If you do not know this, then let me know. Just type Shimon Joseph JEE channel in YouTube, Misha. You will get it. Okay. Just type my name. You will be able to find videos and you can go and watch the lectures. Some of the lectures are brilliant because I've taken for Sprint JEE Mains, I've taken for Sprint Advance, I've taken for Sprint KVPY also. So you will get all 4 in a single place. You can check it. The number itself means 7875. So for example, I will give you a simple example. Let's take 6. So 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So what is the number of divisors? The number of divisors is equal to how much? It's 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Isn't that right, Jumana? So there are 4 divisors. What are the 4 divisors? The 4 divisors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So here 1 and 6 are not proper. So the number of proper divisors are 4 minus 2, which is 2. Did you understand it now? Understood? Banu, I will explain it, Banu. First you have to do prime factorization, Banu. Okay, so any natural number can be expressed as a product of all its prime factors. Okay, so that is exactly what we do first. Okay, so 7875, I express it as prime factorized form. So it will be 3 power 2, 5 power 3 and 7 power 1, Banu. Now there is a formula which says the total number of divisors. This is a formula, Banu, which I have given in binomial theorem. The total number of divisors, Banu, is 2 plus 1. You have to add 1 to everything. So let me explain it a little bit here for those who are interested in knowing. But I will not spend too much time because that will eat up a lot of our time, guys. Okay, let me briefly explain. Try to listen carefully. So I have 2 3s, Banu. I have 2 3s. Now divisors can contain 3 or it need not contain 3. So now out of these 2 3s, I can either have 0 3 or I can have 1 3 or I can have 2 3s. So 3 ways. And 3 5s are there. I can have 0 5s, I can have 1 5, I can have 2 5s or I can have all the 3 5s in my divisor. So into 4, right? Why into 4? Which is 3 plus 1. Just now we studied, na? Choosing any number from P identical objects is P plus 1. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I have 3 5s. I can take 0 5, 1 5, 2 5 or 3 5. So 4 ways. So I wrote 4. Now I have only 1 7. I can either take 1 7 or I will not take 1 7. It will be. That's it. This is what I did. Okay. How to write this, Vasant? You have to use prime factorization, Vasant. Okay. Very good, Rebecca. That's awesome. Jashwant, no man, there are many people. There are a lot of people who are watching. Is 0 also included as a way? 0 means not selecting 3. Not selecting 3 means 3 power 0. And that is not 0, it is 1. Got it? Are you able to understand that? Manjunath is from 12th. Okay. Total number of divisors, I will give you the general formula, Vasant. If you are not liking this, I will give you the general formula. So let us say any natural number, you write it as 2 to the power alpha 1 into 3 to the power alpha 2 into 5 to the power alpha 3 into 7 to the power alpha 4 and so on. Then the number of divisors, total divisors is equal to alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1 and so on. Getting it? Are you able to understand? Very good, guys. Proper factors means any factor or any divisor apart from 1 and the number itself. I gave you an example now. Asim, 6 I gave you. Now 6 is 2 into 3. So the factors of this are 1, 2, 3 and 6. But here 1 and 6 are not proper factors. Only these two are proper factors. So whenever you have total number of divisors, you have to subtract total divisors minus 2. That will give you proper divisors. Okay. That's it. We have spent a lot of time on this. I hope you guys are clear. Shall we proceed? Everybody? Yes? Exactly, Rebecca. That's awesome. So, guys, I think we will continue from division of objects in the next class. I will try to take it up one extra session so that we guys can discuss a lot of stuff. What would be a great time for you? When do you think you guys can attend the session? Yup. Shreya, what happened? Do you have any doubt? Yes. So Manjunath says 5. Math always ends so fast. Okay. At the same time is enough. Okay. What about nights? Guys, can we try sessions at night? Will you be up for it? Will you be up for it? Like midnight sessions. What do you say? Huh? Are you guys ready for it? Yes, please. Everybody is saying, sir, yes, we will try that. Okay, we will try it once, okay. So, we can try it sometime, maybe at midnight. But you guys should listen to the lecture. You can't be watching something else. Your parents will be thinking you're studying and then you'll be like, okay. So yeah, at good night time, let's see, we can do one at night. It will be interesting. I also want to try it. Okay. Perfect. We'll plan it out. So I will take it up tomorrow. We will remove these and I'll give you the PDF. So guys, this is a pro subscription at Vedantu. If you're interested, definitely buy it because it has a lot of great teachers, great content and a very friendly way of learning. I'm sure you guys will find it useful. Okay. So check it. This is the pro subscription. It is SHJ Pro, the coupon code. You get almost 20% discount and that is for the pro subscription alone. You also have the crash course. You guys can check it out as well. Okay. So this is the Telegram group. If you're not part of it, please do check it. I want you guys to be a part of this group because I send all my session notes here. Okay. So check it and we'll have a great time together. So guys, definitely give a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. It will be a great motivation for all of us because like I said, you spread the word, spread the love and we will come up with great fire for you. Okay. Yes, Jashwant. So guys, take care. All the very best and we will meet again in the next time. Till then, bye-bye.